Stop dragging that extension cord across your wet driveway and scratching your paint. Today, I'm showing you the 5 best budget cordless buffers that actually get the job done. I've spent way too many hours in my shop fighting with cords caught under tires. It's a total pain. Going cordless used to mean spending a fortune or settling for a tool that dies in 10 minutes. Not anymore. I've tested these 5 units on everything from oxidized hoods to light door dings. If you want to keep your ride sharp on a budget, you're in the right place. Check the description box below for links to each of these on Amazon for the latest deals. At number 5 is the KIMO 4-inch kit. Don't let the size fool you. This little guy is a beast for tight spots like headlights, mirror caps, and motorcycles. It's light and easy to grip with one hand. The downside? Trying to polish a whole SUV with a 4-inch pad will take forever. It's a specialized tool for detail work, but for the price, it's a solid entry into the cordless world. At number 4 is the Orgpec 6-inch. This is where we step into full-size territory. It's got a 21-volt system that gives it more kick than smaller units. The random orbital movement is key because it prevents you from burning through your clear coat. Comes with 2 batteries, which is a lifesaver. It's a bit noisier than high-end brands, but it gets those swirl marks out without a hitch. Number 3 is the Protmex. This one is unique because it has a touchscreen for speed control. It's actually handy to see your exact setting while you're working. Packs for ampere-hour batteries, giving you way more runtime per charge than cheaper kits. The balance is decent, and it doesn't vibrate your hands. It's a great pick for someone who wants more control. Our runner-up is the Okwelder. This 25-piece kit is basically a detail shop in a box. You get a ton of pads and accessories right out of the gate. What sets this apart is the build quality. It feels rugged in your hands. The 21-volt power delivery is smooth, and the dual-action orbital throw is consistent. If you're starting from zero, this is your best bet. Finally, the best budget cordless buffer is the SundpeyPRO. This buffer is a game-changer because of the brushless motor. Brushless means more torque, less heat, and a much longer life for the tool. It cranks up to 8,000 revolutions per minute, which is plenty of speed to level out those deeper scratches. It's got 8 variable speeds and feels like a tool that should cost twice as much. It's powerful, efficient, and easily the king of this list. Ready to ditch the cords? Grab one of these from the Amazon links in the description below. If this helped you out, smash that like button and subscribe for more shop tips. Drop a comment below. What's your go-to wax for a mirror finish? See you in the next video.